So I bought it for 20 grand. If everything works right, what do you think it's worth?
Let's look at this thing. Beautiful. All of this hand engraving. This was really made not only as a weapon, but it had its own type of style and its own signature to it. So this was a gentleman's gun. So there are two markings on the lot. One is very clearly the Nuremberg control mark. The barrel has the control mark for the city of Augsburg. That is Anton Schmidt. This is a known maker of barrel. There's no question, Rick. This thing's original. This is late 16th century, South German, probably about 1580. What I'd like to do is I'd like to see it shoot before I give you a final value.
All right.
Come out here.
All right.
And when you're ready. That was great.
So what is this amazing piece of artwork worth?
I would start at 50,000. You will probably get more.